Thuisbrunn Castle, German, Burg Thuisbrunn, is located centrally within the parish of Thuisbrunn in the municipality of Gräfenberg in the Bavarian province of Upper Franconia. After having been destroyed and rebuilt several times, the castle is now in private ownership. The spur castle was first mentioned in 1348 and Lord Hiltpold of Mayenthal named as the castle lord, Burgherr, of Thuisbrunn. In 1388, during the South German War of the Cities, it was destroyed by Nuremberg troops and thereafter given to the Burggraves of Nuremberg as a fief. In 1420 the castle was again wrecked during the Bavarian War by troops of Duke Louis of Ingolstadt. However, when the village of Thuisbrunn was destroyed in July 1449 by Nuremberg soldiers and again in 1460 during the Prince's War, the castle remained undamaged. In 1553, during the Second Margrave War, the castle was once more destroyed by Nuremberg troops. By 1558 only the district office, Amtshaus, and the Burgfried had been rebuilt. During the 30 Years' War and thereafter, Thuisbrunn and the castle were plundered 7 times by Imperial, Swedish and Bavarian soldiers. In 1667, the Vogtei office was probably built in place of the old district office. Apart from this house and the Burgfried, the castle remained a ruin. In 1816, the cartographer, Johann Christoph Stirline, made for the first time a very precise map of the castle area and its surviving buildings. Following the seizure of the estates by the Kingdom of Bavaria in 1806 during the Napoleonic era, the Vogtei office was used as a forestry office. Towards the end of the Second World War, the castle was shelled by American troops. In 1961 it was sold into private ownership. Walter Heinz, Ehemaligatelsitz im Tribachtel. Verlag Pomu and Inc., Erlangen, and Jena, 1996, ISBN 3-7896-0554-9, pages 99 to 112. Buurnuwe Abels, Joachim Zong, ETAL, Führerzu Archäologischen Denkmälern in Deutschland. Band 20, Frankische Schweiz. Konrad Theis Verlag, Stuttgart, 1990, ISBN 3-8062-0586-8, p224. Helmut Kunstmann, Die Burgunder Südwestlichen Fränkischen Schweiz. Commissionsverlag Degner and Company, Neustadt/Aisch, 1990, pages 229 to 235. Gustav Voigt, Walter Rufer, Einbergenreise durch die Fränkische Schweiz. Verlag Pomu and Inc., Erlangen, 1991, ISBN 3-7896-0064-4, pages 184 to 187. Tony Eckert, Susanne Fischer, Renate Freitag, Rainer Hoffmann, Walter Tausendpfund, Die Burgunder Fränkischen Schweiz, EIN Kulturführer. Girdler Druck, Forte Mojade, ISBN 3-98032766-5-5, pages 148 to 151.